Good Wednesday evening, Southeast Texas. Hope you're doing fine on this Texas Independence Day. It was a beauty. Some clouds moving on in, and those clouds will thicken up tonight. The next couple of days will be about 5 degrees above normal. Not warm enough? Okay, how about the weekend? Could be close to 80 Saturday, Sunday, and Monday. That's about roughly 10 degrees above normal. Then the bottom falls out. Well, I shouldn't say bottom, but it gets cooler with below normal temperatures as we head towards Tuesday and Wednesday of next week, thanks to a cold front that's going to be pushing through. All about tree pollen today. It's oak, elm, and cedar. Very high levels of tree pollen. Everything else as far as weed pollen, grass pollen, and mold at low levels. Otherwise, seeing some high clouds, a mix of high and mid-level clouds streaming into the area. That's why you'll see more in the way of cloud cover tonight as courtesy of satellite imagery. High pressure moving on out. Still a chilly night. We've got dry air over us now, but as we go through the weekend, quite the surge of moisture moving on in. It is going to be quite humid coming up over the weekend into Monday ahead of that front. All the streets and sidewalks will sweat. Otherwise, then the front comes through and a drier air mass will filter on into Southeast Texas as we work on into, say, Monday night into Tuesday. Short-term forecast showing this upper-level disturbance cruising over our area. Just a cloud maker, just not enough moisture in the atmosphere to produce showers and storms. Disturbance moves through the central and northern plains as we work on into Monday late. That'll drag the cold front into our area. This other disturbance coming in on Wednesday night will bring us showers back in the forecast coming up as we work on into Wednesday into Thursday across Southeast Texas. Tonight, skies becoming mostly cloudy as clouds thicken up, and temperatures will drop into the mid-40s in the lakes, mid to upper 40s, and into the, well, close to 50 in the triangle. So clouds overnight, clouds in the morning, then clouds out of here with sun returning. Highs pop up, I believe, into the mid-70s as the south wind strengthens off the Gulf of Mexico. Speaking of the Gulf of Mexico, boating conditions look still pretty good with mostly smooth seas around a foot tomorrow. Easterly winds at 5 to 10 knots are expected. Our forecast tonight becoming mostly cloudy. Still a chilly night. You'll need jackets in the morning. Mid to upper 40s, lakes close to 50 in the triangle. Again, could be some patchy fog if the wind's laid. Then on Thursday, looking at morning clouds, afternoon sun, highs warm into the mid-70s. Still fairly comfortable with a south wind further increasing moisture levels. So Thursday is a keeper. Friday, that moisture really surges in late day, but we'll still expect mostly sunny skies. Over the weekend, it has improved. The lack of instability and capping should preclude us from seeing any significant rainfall this weekend. As low temperatures crank on up into the mid-60s, you'll be flipping the AC on, and highs in the lower 80s. It's going to be a windy weekend. Then on Monday, here comes the cold front. At this point, I don't see much in the way or chance of severe weather. That could change as we get better modeling, but right now it looks like capping will be gone. Not a lot of instability. Still, we'll go with about a 50 to 60% coverage of showers and storms right in the middle of the day, just enough to foul it up. So it looks like you'll be losing a work day outside. Then on Tuesday, a cooler, drier air mass filters on in with lows in the 40s and highs in the 60s. Then that next disturbance comes on in. Remember I showed you that? Go with a 40% coverage at this point. Looks relatively chilly by Wednesday of next week. Download our app. Follow us on Facebook and Twitter, and as always, there's more weather at 12newsnow.com.